Do you feel nervous when speaking English? Do you know the words, but can't speak fluently? Don't worry. In the next 5 minutes, I'll teach you how to speak English confidently in real everyday situations. No difficult grammar. No complicated rules. Just simple natural English. Let's start. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Naz English Pods. If you want to improve your spoken English step by step, you're in the right place. Today we're going to practice fluent English for everyday situations. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. And imagine you are in that situation. Ready? Let's go. Good morning. Did you sleep well? What time did you wake up? I'm still feeling a little sleepy. What's for breakfast? Smells delicious. Can you pass me the salt? I need to leave early today. Where did I put my keys? Have you seen my bag? I'm getting late. Please remind me later. I'll clean my room in the evening. Let's have dinner together. How was your day? I'm really tired today. I just want to relax. Speak calmly and clearly. Hi, how's everything going? Did you complete the project? I'm working on it. Can you help me with this question? I don't understand this topic. Could you explain it one more time? Let's discuss this together. That makes sense now. Totally agree with you. That's a brilliant idea. We should start early. Let's take a short break. I'll send you the details. Please check your email. I'll finish this by tomorrow. Great job today. Excuse me, can you help me? Where can I find this item? Is this on sale? Do you have this in black? Can I get a discount? That's a little expensive for me. Do you accept cash? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? I'm just looking, thank you. I'll think about it. Okay, I'll take it. Can I get a receipt, please? Thank you for your service. Imagine you are actually talking to someone. Can we see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I'd like to order this. Can I get it without spice? Is this dish vegetarian? Can we get some water, please? The food is really tasty. Can we have the bill, please? Keep the change. Thank you, everything was great. Hello, how are you? Is this a good time to talk? I'm in a meeting right now. Can I call you later? Please send me a message. I didn't catch that. Could you repeat that, please? Let me check and get back to you. That sounds good. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Hi, I don't think we've met before. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do for a living? How did you get interested in that? That's really impressive. I'd love to know more. You seem very friendly. Let's stay connected. Here's my number. It was great talking to you. Where is the bus stop? How long does it take? Is this seat taken? Can you tell me when we arrive? I'm visiting for the first time. This place is beautiful. Can you take a picture for me? How much is the ticket? What time does it leave? Thank you for your help. Now say these sentences smoothly. I'll let you know. Depends on the situation. I'm not sure about that. That's a good question. I've been thinking about it. To be honest, as far as I know, in my opinion, that's exactly what I mean. I couldn't agree more. These phrases make your English sound more fluent and natural. Fluent English is not about using difficult words. It's about speaking simple sentences confidently. Practice these lines every day. Speak in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Listen and improve. If you practice just 5 minutes daily, your English will improve faster than you think. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Naz English Pods. We are learning together, step by step, day by day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.